How to deactivate your Facebook account in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and you have to scroll all the way down, and you can see the settings and privacy in the bottom of this page. And when you click on the settings and privacy, then click on the settings, and when you come to this page, you can find the search bar and type the delete. And when you type the delete, you can find the account and ownership and control. Click on the account ownership and control, and then here you can see in the second option, deactivation and deletion. Click on the deactivation and deletion, and when you and here is the option, delete option, and deactivate your account. When you deactivate your account, then your account is temporarily deleted. It means you can uh, uh, anytime come to this page and reactivate your account. And when you delete your account, you can't reactivate your account anytime. So if you want to deactivate your account, and this video is also deactivating your account, click on the continue to account deletion, and you have to enter your password and click continue. And your account, Facebook account, is temporarily deleted. It means it is you have deactivated your Facebook account. So that's basically it, that how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and also let me know in the comments that this video is helpful. Have a good day.